we're using a compound chemical that we use right here, just kind of loosening it up. We don't really want to take blades to any of the paint. You know, a lot of people use plastic razor blades, and in some cases, like with commercial vehicles, that's probably acceptable, but on a vehicle like this, it's not. It just really takes time and effort to get this stuff off. So a lot of people will say, well, why do you charge for removal? Why do you charge so much for removal? And it's this entire panel right here is all adhesive. So it's probably going to take cumulative, I don't know, I'm just testing this piece right here. I would probably say it's going to take somewhere around 3 to 4 hours for us to finish this. Once we get the chemical all on it and kind of loosened up. So like just to remove this plus the hood, I mean, it's going to take us a day and a half just to remove it so we can get ready for the wrap, you know. So
it's going to look a lot better once it's done.
Oh yeah, definitely. A really cool paint protection film, cosmetic paint protection film. So color change by Pure. So stay tuned and you'll get a chance to take a look at that.